This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you 3 more productivity tips for Google Sheets. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. Okay, so the 3 new productivity tips I have for Google Sheets. The first one, available on the Sheets home screen, are these templates. These are huge time savers. If you do not have, for instance, an invoice or a purchase order and you just want to quickly whip something up, just use the templates. If you don't see the templates at the top of the Google Sheets home screen, click on Template Gallery and you'll see a whole bunch of other templates pop up, like shift schedule. I mean, it's really quite incredible the types of things that you can do, as well as calendars and things like that. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is Office editing. And when I say Office editing, I'm talking about Microsoft Office. So search for XLSX, that's the Microsoft Excel file format. You'll see a whole bunch of different spreadsheets show up basically with an X next to them, and that means Microsoft Excel. And you can actually open these up and take a look at them and do some minor types of editing on your Excel document. One thing to note, this feature really works best if you're using Google Chrome browser. So that means Google Chrome on Windows or a Mac, or of course a Chromebook. If you're using another type of browser, this feature where you're editing Microsoft Office documents, it may not work at all, or it may only have limited features available. So I always suggest using this particular feature for Office documents on Google Chrome browser in Sheets. Finally, the third tip that I have for working with Google Sheets, and this is something that I don't even know how to do it in Excel. I'm sure there's a way, but it's complicated. For Sheets, it's so easy, and that is you can resize all the columns so they're the same width. So you can see how this one is pretty slim and this one's pretty wide. If I wanted to make everything the same width, here's how to do it. Click on the corner cell here, so everything is selected, and then just take any cell, and then just see the little line between B and C. I'm just going to grab that and make it a little bit wider. And what happens is you can see all of the cells have the same width now. All the columns have the same width. So this is really a big time saver. You don't have to micromanage each column in turn. I can make them smaller if I want. And then if you do want to make just adjust the columns by each column, just deselect that, find the line between A and B or B and C or whatever, and then just draw it out, and that adjusts the width. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Sheets, I've written a book about Google Drive and Docs and Sheets and Slides. It's called Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It's available on our official website. You can check that out, as well as other technology guides that we publish. And if this video helped you out, if you could like it and subscribe, I'd be very grateful. Thank you so much for watching.